The claim that organic foods are more nutritious than conventionally grown foods is debated, and the scientific evidence is mixed. Here are the key points. 1. Nutrient content. Some studies show that organic foods may contain slightly higher levels of certain nutrients, such as antioxidants and vitamins. For example, organic fruits and vegetables have been found to have higher levels of vitamin C and certain minerals. However, these differences are often small and not always consistent across studies. 2. Pesticide residue. One clear advantage of organic foods is the lower level of pesticide residue. Organic farming restricts the use of synthetic pesticides, so organic produce generally contains fewer chemical residues than conventionally grown foods. 3. Soil health and farming practices. Organic farming practices, which emphasize the use of compost, crop rotation, and natural fertilizers, can improve soil health, which might contribute to better nutrient profiles in some cases. However, this doesn't always result in significant nutrient differences in the end product. For health impact, there is no strong evidence that eating organic foods leads to better health outcomes in the general population. Some of the nutritional benefits might be minimal or difficult to translate into significant health changes. In summary, organic foods might have slight nutritional advantages in some cases, but the difference isn't dramatic for most people. The main benefits of organic food lie in lower pesticide exposure and environmentally sustainable farming practices.